Ebusiafo woman yanzu da mun komi. Men who there secondary school for we afi binom wa for warech on cars na zewo school. Yes, oyefe. Oyem cranche. But awo afrabe rehwe mama kase mincho. Sa wo maame enwa anada wo papa. Se eto buyer eto in a real school wo botum wada amawa. Mo wenyu anso ate. Because se suyo bene nantwa echia wopa isuyo bene nantwa enwa echia wopa wiasen osuno bia na nankrabia na ne shebre hwe ma weja wo bia wetum oza ahwawo medu da mampampendon. You should be grateful. Me hu da binu mo rekede na damaz na woyen ode enyimber baba papa Monfuaza ware yanodo. But Susan para so there. Membesu wan kwan mochina. Ijinechira wankadeze ahonya na ezere kasa. Oya ne pe. There. Oda car bamana babisiaba. But you see, in social no atwe rio. Nature summon. Ibia na result of babanumpun. Hawa sebi wupa pentuman to kala mo. And this should motivate you there. Abrabona Araban. In your backup, you need to make your family proud. Because say if a wager and if a woman means no obi atokara amana bentin wan bobra kaide imbibira baba woso beye father woso beye mother. And can you stand this pressure? Some of us, we came from a poor home. Yananum wonyibi, yejanum wonyibi. So all that we had was ourselves. Yanam road these streets, and we are trying to make ourselves proud. Inti yenuamber obeneze. Papa, my car ma drive or a Corolla 2010 model. But the fact you know too much zama ban menywa so mesafonom bi wo zochen but baby a menywa dan na baby a me fin me motiving day mo bobra na mesiye na masesa ho. It do not be envious of these things, and let not these things put pressure on you, because obi o dwenim pa waneze onyimde imbribi baba no so no star be shine. I'm not going to say so much, but what I'm telling you there, be content with what you have and appreciate your parents for what they have done for you. Obi wadino question juma I wait to the work with school Mary. A peda was a car celebrate to one signing who they one in a wager why you be Darby. Appreciate them. Man, we see.
The matter job hot.
Assembly Diloto. Hey!
Aye. All the lie.